important thing to explain at the beginning about the balance is when you're doing balance exercises for Tai Chi, it's always important that your feet is on 45 degrees. So you can check it. If you stand like this, it's better. You feel the balance instead of this position, because your leg then it's shaking. So we want to do this first exercise. If you can, hold your knee and hold your feet. Stand, make a balance, find your balance, and then slowly make small squat. Just a little bit. Repeat few times. Then keep your leg like this. Keep your arms and just stand for a while. Another possibility, if you cannot hold your leg, is just to lift it, find your balance, and then do the same thing. Going up and down, holding your balance, then stop, keep it for a while, and finish. It's very useful also for strength, but actually improving our balance. The next very important exercise for Tai Chi is making these small circles. This is good for balance, but also for strength and feeling in Tai Chi empty and full leg, and actually realizing this feeling in our body when one leg is full and the other leg is empty and relaxed. So we make these circles, then we turn backwards like you are drawing a circle. You put your hands on dantian, hold here, don't move very much with your hips, try to stay firm. And then the same thing we do with other leg, making the circle, half circle actually. Feel your balance, feel like your leg is grounded, like you have roots which are connecting you with earth. And then change direction. Try to stay calm and relax while doing this exercise. At the beginning it will not be very simple, but when you practice you will find out that actually it's not so difficult, and this exercise is very useful for people who practice Tai Chi, but also those who don't practice, just want to improve their balance. And last one is this. So we lift same leg and the same palm. We push heaven, earth. We feel balance in the leg, right leg at the moment. And we just stay still. Try to relax and hold this position as much as you can. This will improve your balance, but also make balance in your energy on the left and right side. And when you practice this exercise, you should hold one position until 3 minutes if you can. And always do both sides. When you do another side, you will notice maybe that one leg is weaker or you don't have enough balance, but just try practicing, moving on, and by the time you will get 2-3 minutes in this position. I wish you nice